1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 25 seconds. 23, 22, 21, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 8, 6, 8, 3, 2, 1, tone out.
Stark and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 689, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 689 has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning,
The fuck are you guys doing?
Stark and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lawrence and Mercer.
This is not an unrecognized warning.
The forecast